Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by updating everything, AirPods firmware and your device OS, because fixes often live in updates. Once done, go to Settings, open Bluetooth, tap the eye next to your AirPods, and toggle off automatic ear detection. This stops the sensor-triggered pauses. Make sure to test playback with one bud removed and reinserted so you can confirm the change. If you use a case or third-party ear tips, remove them briefly. They can alter sensor behavior and cause false pauses. Next, you inspect app and system audio settings because conflicts often cause pauses. Open the music or podcast app, then check background audio permissions and any in-app auto-pause features, disable them. Make sure your device routes media to the AirPods consistently. In Control Center, confirm Bluetooth output is selected. Also, turn off battery optimization for primary media apps, since aggressive battery saving can suspend audio. Once you adjust these, restart the app and play a few tracks to verify stability. Finally, you perform cleanup and a reset if problems persist. First, gently clean the ear detection sensors with a soft, dry brush. Debris can mimic removal. If cleaning doesn't help, reset the AirPods by holding the case button until the LED flashes amber then white, then repair. Test with a second device to determine if the issue is hardware or your original device's software. Troubleshooting tip: if resets fail, contact support, but confirm warranty and note when the issue reproduces and with which device.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.